Welcome to this video tutorial where we will guide you through the process flow on how to enroll in automated renewal of WAPP membership. Firstly, let's understand what automatic renewal means or subscription. This process allows you to set up a recurring payment that will automatically charge the membership fee from your credit card and renew your membership status in WAPP. Subscription can be canceled anytime. To begin with, when it's time for you to renew your membership or subscription, you will receive a renewal reminder email. In this email, you will find a link that will redirect you to the renewal application form. Alternatively, you can also go to your member portal and click on the renewal batch to access the form. Once you are on the renewal form, you need to verify that all your information is current and up to date. After you have confirmed your information, click on the Continue button to proceed. The next step is the payment page. Here, you will find the option to enroll in automated renewals. If you wish to opt in, simply check off the box provided and click on the Process Payment button to complete the transaction. Insert your billing information and click on Confirm Payment button. That's it. You have successfully enrolled in automatic renewal. The system will automatically charge membership fee from your credit card on the next renewal cycle. The subscription can be canceled anytime. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact our team for assistance. Thank you for watching.